Hi guys, I'm Abhishek from AC Lab. I have made a mini project of robotics. This one. This name, the name of this machine is obstacle sensing robot. I have used the sensors, the battery, the motor sheet, the Arduino board, the wheels to move further forward and the backward, and this DC motors inside to rotate the wheels. Like coming to the working part of this machine, these are the sensors. I have used the IR sensors. This is called the LED, and this is called the photodiode. Like LED, it emits the light to the to anywhere. The photodiode, it absorbs the light. When the light is emitted casually, usually the black surface it absorbs but it doesn't reflect, but the white surface it reflects the light, so that it gives the input for this, and this motor above. This photo sensor, it's connected to this motor, the DC motor, one of the DC motor. See, whenever I place like this, so this sensor, the man and the motor runs. As you see, the motor runs, and when I place it on a black surface, so that it doesn't work. So I'm placing it on a track. It's like we have made a track and we have a checkpoint in the middle. So it's working. So as you guys see, it's moving and it stops whenever the both sensors get the black surface, so that it stops. So that when we place that, so that it moves. So at the end point, it got stopped. This is my project, and this the thing what we are using, like the batteries is used to produce, supply the power supply for this motor sheet, and this Arduino board, this USB cable, the 5 volts, it is used to dump the program in the Arduino board and give the power supply for the DC motor. So for applications of this robot is like that, we can put this for the blind people, so that if they are moving in forward, when an obstacle comes in front of them, so that the LED blinks, like it senses the obstacle and it gives us a beep sound, so that the man knows and he just move for further side. And then the second application is like we use this in the car, so sensor for the backward movement or the in front of the movement, like when the car moves to high speed, so that the sensor senses and it gives us an alarm, so that we are moving the overspeed, so that you should get down the speed, you should not walk. Okay, this is if any doubts or any feed forward, contact me. I'll give my email ID. My email ID is abhishek.redditcv@gmail.com. Yeah, and please post the comments on my video.
I'll be posting this.
Okay, I'll be posting this video on external, my electronics lab external page.